Hi guys, this is an easy to use platform to make some amounts of USDT every single day. And then once you register, you'll be given 6 USDT. This site gives 6 free USDT as a bonus once you register. And this very website requires just a little deposit for you to get started and start cashing out. The minimum deposit in this website is just 2 USDT. I don't think I've seen any website that will allow you to just deposit only 2 USDT to get started. So the minimum deposit here is 2 USDT, and what you do on this site is to perform some task and get paid. You can withdraw your money the very first day you make your deposit. So what you just do here is to deposit, perform task, withdraw. It's as simple as that. So once you register, they're going to give you 6 USDT to register. I mean, as a registration bonus immediately after you register and log in. I hope that is understood, guys. So we are going to be looking at how this actually works and how to navigate this site. But before I do that, guys, please smash the subscribe button, hit that subscribe button and subscribe to this channel if you've not subscribed, and turn on your bell notification so that you can always get notified each time I upload a video in this channel. And then if you love the things I do in this channel, like this video before the end of this video. All right, so now the thing I want to show you guys here now, first of all, let's consider clicking on this VIP here, the second to the last icon right here. So once you click on the VIP, you're going to see the list of the tasks you are required to perform. I mean, you're going to see not the list of the tasks, you're going to see the VIP packages right here. So let's take a look at that quickly. Now guys, as you can see, I'm already on the VIP one. That's why it says current status. So I'm already in the VIP one. Now you can see this one is written join now. If you want to join, you can click on this to join. This is VIP 2, this is VIP 3. So for the VIP one, you are performing 10 tasks, and per order each of those tasks will give you 0.04 USDT. And your daily profit, the accumulation of your daily profit is 0.4 USDT. That is, each of those tasks give you 4 cents out of all the 10 tasks, and your daily profit is is 40 USD, is 40 cents. So that is it for that. Now the VIP 2, also 10 tasks. Per order, that is per task, is 0.17 USDT. That is 17 cents. And your daily profit is 1.70 USDT, $1.70. Then the VIP tray gives you for 10 tasks will give you total of 6.16 daily profit. Then per each task you're getting 0.6 USDT. So on daily basis for the VIP tray, you are getting like 6.16 USDT, guys, and then you have to deposit $8. For the VIP 2, you have to deposit $18. VIP 1, you have to deposit just you're not depositing all. Remember, you are giving 6 USDT as a bonus. So for the VIP 1, to buy it, you are buying it with with $8. You're buying it with $8, and the minimum deposit is $2. So if you are giving a registration bonus of $6, 6 USDT, you can add 2 USDT to it, and that makes it 8 USDT, and you can buy the VIP 1. Now for the VIP 2, guys, that requires 18 USDT to join, but remember you are giving 6 USDT registration bonus. So adding something to it, you know what you can add to it to make it 18 USDT. So you'll be able to buy the VIP 2. The same thing is applicable for VIP 3. So guys, once you register, you're giving 6 USDT. I hope that is understood. So the next thing we want to look at is how to perform the task right here. Okay, but before I take a look at that, let me click on mine here. Let me show you the amount I currently have here. For today, I've performed 2 tasks already before making this video. So I'm going to perform some tasks right now on this video just to show you how to do it. Just to show you how to do it. It's quite easy and very simple. So once you click on the last icon down below here, you're going to see yourself on this very page. So as you can see, I have 8 USDT right here. So there was a registration bonus of 6 USDT and 2 USDT was added here. So as you can see now, I have 2.08 USDT. Now guys, let me quickly show you guys how to perform this task. To perform this task is quite easy. So once you click on the home right here, the first icon down below here, you're going to find yourself on this very page. You can see these VIPs, these ones are locked. The VIP 2 is locked, VIP 3 is locked, VIP 4 is locked. They are all locked down to the VIP 8. Now but the VIP 1 is unlocked because I'm already in the VIP 1 level. So what I have to do now is to click on this very arrow right here. Well, as I click on this very arrow right here, it is going to take me to the next page where I'll be able to show you guys how to perform this task. So guys, what you do here now is to click on each of these tasks. You can see the packages. You can see the task here attached to the VIP 1 package. There is always a task attached to each and every of the packages. So what you just do here is to click on each of these tasks and perform them. So I'll be clicking on this very first one right here. As I click on it, it takes me to this page. So what I do now is to click on submit. Once I click on submit, payment successful. Let me go back to the place I showed you my balance before. So on this page now, after clicking on the mine here, I find myself on this very page. You can see it has added 4 cents to it. Before it was 2.08. Now it is 2.12. So that's how to do it. Let me do one more again. So let me click on this again, the VIP 1 here. As I click on this arrow, it's gonna load up now. Now I'm going to perform the next task again, guys. It's kind of slow. All right guys, so now I'm clicking on the next one here. Any of these ones, you know, I've clicked on one. That one I clicked on is already out, so they brought another one here, the next one here. So let me click on this one again. So I'll be clicking on submit, payment successful. Now guys, that is how to do this. Now if I go back to that same place now, you see that the balance has added. So guys, this requires same day deposit, same day withdrawal. The minimum you can withdraw is 0.04 USDT. So it's same day deposit, same day withdrawal. Very simple. So guys, as you can see now, it has added. Now I have 2.16 USDT. So it has added again. So it keeps on adding as you perform each of those tasks. So if you want to buy each of the packages, I forgot to show you how to buy those packages. So once you want to buy those packages, click on VIP here. Now click on join. Anyone you want to buy, you click on join. So let me just click on join for this very one. You click on confirm. Now you copy the USDT TRC20 address. You copy this address, guys. This is the USDT address. You copy this USDT TRC20 address and go to your crypto wallet and fund it, guys. Very, very simple, very, very easy. Very simple, very easy. So if I want to make my withdrawal right here on this page, I can make my withdrawal on this page right now, and I'm going to receive my money. But I wouldn't want this video to be that long. It is actually same day deposit and same day withdrawal. So in my next video about this website, in the next 2 days, I'll make a live withdrawal, guys. I'll make a live withdrawal, but the platform is currently paying. So, but I will not be making a live withdrawal on this video right here, right now. So now in the next video, I'm going to make a live withdrawal, guys. The next 2 days, I'll make a live withdrawal for you guys to see it. But if you want to key into it, you can go ahead now because the site is currently paying. So guys, it doesn't stop me from giving my disclaimer because I'm not a financial advisor. Kindly note that I shall not be responsible for your financial decisions. My videos are based on my personal experience and my perceptions about some websites. So guys, you are free to also do your own research before investing in any website. But then if you're a risk taker, you may not want to wait for a long time to start making researches. You can just jump in and take your risk with what you can afford to lose. So kindly note that everyone is responsible for their financial decisions. So guys, the link to my Telegram group is down there in the description box of this video. Then the link to sign up is the very first link in the description of this video to sign up to this website. You click that first link to sign up. Then the link to join my Telegram group is also in the description of this video. You can message me privately if you have anything you want to discuss with me, or if you find anything confusing that you think I can be of help to. You can message me privately in the group. Then I can find a way I can be, I will see how I can be of help to you. So guys, that's how to do it. Now, if you have any comments about this, you can drop your comment, leave your comments down there in the comment section of this video. Now, see you on the next one, guys. Thank you for watching.